Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Today we're going to do the unboxing of the SteelSeries Sensei 10. This was my the first SteelSeries Sensei I used to review was the LOG version, or the original Sensei, and I like that mouse. Really one of my favorite ambidextrous mouse. That used to be my go-to mouse until they stopped discontinuing it. And of course, they brought it back, the Sensei 310, but it was a different shape. You know, I was happy when they announced that they was gonna bring this mouse back. I was like, I gotta get my hands on this for sure, because this was one of my favorite ambidextrous mouse. I used to play with it back then, Battlefield 3 and 4-ish. And also, still at time, I used to test out gaming mouses here and there, but you know, I always saved that Sensei just in case I wanted to use it again, because you know, it was really comfortable, no issues with it. So I'm really happy I got this mouse. We're gonna do field testing, we're gonna do the review of it. Let's open this thing up. And you can get this mouse for $69.99, which is awesome. Let me find something to open this bad boy right here. I remember the Sensei Raw. Actually, the first, if you really want to go there, my first SteelSeries mouse used to be the Zai. That's how a while ago I used to game with this mouse. If you really want to go deep in there to the history with me and SteelSeries, that's how long ago it was. So I'm just opening it up right here. Not trying to damage this thing. And I cut myself as well. Okay, that's out. Okay, good. And it's out of the box. More information right there in the back. If you can see it, you can pause it. The master, the bow of the master. Ah, this is lovely. So, ta-da, the mouse itself. Get this out of the way. This is how it looks. Left click, right click. Let's go is good. Shake the mouse. It's a little bit wobble there, but no, that's not. Okay, there is no wobble, my bad. There is no wobble, which is nice. Ooh, it looks so familiar to me. Woo! Well, this is awesome. So stand by. I'm gonna plug this into the computer and get everything set up. So please be patient. Okay, so I got the mouse plugged in, updated the firmware, and it's ready to go. This is gonna be exciting. You already know what to do already. Any questions about this mouse or other mouse related or computer related stuff, answer those questions down in the comment section. I'll answer them as soon as possible, as always. Till then, we're gonna have some testing. I'm gonna have a lot of fun. I'm gonna jump into Warzone right now and start kicking some butt. Take care, guys. Goodbye. Be safe out there.